Hi everyone, welcome to Tidbit Tuesday. This week we want to make everybody aware of a safety recall. This recall is from Kidde on 2 different types of fire extinguishers and has been in effect since November of 2017. We want to make sure everyone is aware of what to look for and how to receive a replacement from Kidde as we continue to see units coming in with affected extinguishers.
The 2 types involved both have plastic handles. One has a vertical pin and the other has a push-button pindicator. There is a link in the description with more information on what to look for and which types are and are not affected.
If your extinguisher is affected and you need to file for a recall, there is a link in the description to complete that process online, or you can call the number on the screen.
You will need to know or have available the type of extinguisher, model number, color of extinguisher, date code, and serial number. In addition, you will need to know your unit's vehicle identification number or VIN and your own personal information.
Kidde will process your request and send you a replacement. It can be a few weeks until you see the replacement arrive. The replacement will have a return shipping label and instructions on how to schedule the pickup of the return shipment. We hope this information was helpful to you this week. Have a great day and happy camping.